Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this wall pack, but before we do that, as you can tell I'm outside today, and it's a really beautiful day. Let's take a look. Very nice. So, back to the subject of this video. This is a Lithonia 250 watt high pressure sodium wall pack, and it's a really good quality one. First thing you will notice is that it has a very nice thick glass refractor. And it's even up here in the top too. There's actually a big gap up there, about, I'd say, half an inch gap between the top of the refractor and the housing itself up in there. So when I got this fixture, up in this gap it was full of bugs and everything. Of course, cleaned it up and it's a lot more cleaner now, of course. We'll take a side look at it. You can see profile of it. Very nice design. And one of the interesting things about this design, you'll see when we open it up. But first, just take a look at this sticker. It just says to disconnect the power before servicing the fixture itself. Now, of course, there would be screws here, but I took those out. They're sitting right here so that we can open it up. Now, I'm going to open it up a certain way. I'm going to tilt the whole fixture up like this. And we're going to swing this down because if I can do it with one hand, let me set the camera down for a second. There it goes. So, we're going to open it up this way because the ballast and all the gear is in the door itself, which I think is pretty neat. Although when you're putting the fixture itself, screwing it to the wall, it's not as heavy and it's easier to hold up there while you're mounting it. Also, having all the gear in the door is easy to change it out. You don't have to work on it up high. You can take the door down and work on it on a table or something instead. So here you can see the refractor again. You can see there's you can kind of see the gap in between. Stick my finger in there, you can see there's a pretty deep gap in there. Probably to also let heat through to, cool down the bulb. So we'll take a look at the ballast again. If I remember correctly, it's an advanced ballast. Of course, it's multi-tap, if I am correct. Oh, wait. I guess not. It's only 120 volt. It's a 120 volt only ballast. Over here we have the capacitor and starter. Here we have the sticker for the fixture. Made in 1989. And let's see, here's another sticker, just letting you know some information. And here we have the bulb itself with its reflector. As you tell, this one is a Philips Alto bulb, so we'll take it out. Let's see where the etch is on this guy. It's down here. So, there's not much of it left anymore, but it's there. 250 watt Philips Alto. Kinda see it. See the reflector? You can see me in it. Very nice. Anyway, one nice thing that they did have is they had connectors in here, and they were plastic ones. These are ones that I put in. So that you can disconnect the door. They used to have better ones, but it was frayed and fallen apart, so I just put some new ones in there and easily disconnect these and take the door right off. Very nice. So let's put the bulb right back in. I need to put something on it so it not so hard to get in. Of course, Philips doesn't really do this anymore, but the Altos had the green and the dimple on the top of the bulb. So there's the fixture itself. I'm going to go ahead, and of course this is not how you do it because this part would be on the wall, but this lines up with those hinges, falls into place, and then it goes right back in there. And we'll bring it right back on down. So I'll go and get an extension cord and we'll fire this thing up. Okay, so I got a cord over here now. And let's go ahead and plug it in. I'll set my phone right like that. You can kind of see in there while I plug this in. So there we go. Of course, being noon, it's not going to be as bright as it would be if it was nighttime, but you'll get a general idea of it. So we'll come back when it's all the way at full brightness. Well, the fixture is now at full brightness, and it obviously doesn't look that bright because it's, well, daytime out, but we'll get a look at it anyway. Get a side view. It's a very nice orange. You can hear the hum of the ballast. Very nice refractor. Let's get some different angles there so you can see how it refracts the light kind of to the sides more than the front. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video of my Lithonia 250 watt high pressure sodium wall pack. Hope you enjoyed, and also please comment and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.